Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share another fascinating episode with you today. We're starting off with some thrilling news from NASA's Artemis program. You might recall that the Artemis, the second mission, recently made headlines with its successful flight around the moon. But what you might not know is that the crew of 4 astronauts, led by Commander Victor Glover, has been undergoing a series of rigorous tests to prepare for future lunar missions. These tests are designed to simulate the challenges of walking on the moon's surface, and they're pushing the astronauts to their limits. The crew has been attached to a specialized crane system called Argo, which mimics the low gravity of the moon. They've had to navigate obstacle courses, climb ladders, and even collect samples while wearing heavy-duty spacesuits. The goal of these tests is to help NASA mission planners determine how aggressive they can be with future lunar excursions. They want to know how far astronauts can roam, what kind of jobs they can handle, and how their bodies will adapt to the harsh conditions on the moon's surface. We've got all the details on these incredible tests, including interviews with the astronauts themselves. You'll hear about the challenges they faced, the surprises they encountered, and what they learned from this experience. So buckle up, space fans, as we dive into the world of lunar exploration and discover what it takes to be a part of this exciting new frontier. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share another fascinating story with you today. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're often reminded of the awe-inspiring beauty of celestial events. And last Monday night, residents of Southern California were treated to a dramatic display of cosmic wonder. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket launched from Vandenberg Space Force Base, leaving a trail of glory in its wake. The Starlink Group 1735 mission blasted off at 7:50 p.m., casting a reddish glow across the sky, followed by an expansive white plume that seemed to stretch on forever. As we ponder the marvels of space technology, we're also reminded of the intricate dance between human innovation and the celestial ballet. The Falcon 9 rocket, with its precision-engineered systems and meticulous calculations, is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of exploration. And yet, as we watch the rocket's trajectory arc across the sky, we're also aware of the vast, uncharted territories that lie beyond our planet's atmosphere. This juxtaposition of human achievement and cosmic mystery is a powerful reminder of our place within the universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, we're not only expanding our knowledge of the cosmos, but also deepening our appreciation for the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. So let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and majesty of the universe and the incredible feats of human ingenuity that allow us to explore it. As we reflect on this remarkable event, we're also invited to consider the broader implications of space exploration and its potential impact on our daily lives. From the development of new technologies to the inspiration of future generations, the effects of space travel are far-reaching and multifaceted. So as we gaze up at the stars, let's remember that we're not just spectators in the cosmic drama, we're also active participants with a role to play in shaping the future of space exploration. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we explore the wonders of the universe and the complexities of human experience. As we gaze up at the starry sky, we're reminded that our world is part of a vast cosmic landscape connected to the laws of physics and the rhythms of nature. But today, I want to bring your attention to a pressing issue that affects us all, right here on Earth: the state of science education. In Ireland, a disturbing trend has come to light, where science teachers are being offered inadequate storage facilities for chemicals, equipment, and students' work. In one school, an old telephone box was even suggested as a solution, highlighting the dire lack of resources and infrastructure in our educational institutions. This is not just a minor inconvenience, it's a serious safety concern that puts students and teachers at risk. As we advocate for space exploration and scientific literacy, we must also acknowledge the challenges faced by educators on the ground. The introduction of laboratory-based projects in schools is a laudable effort to promote hands-on learning, but it requires proper funding, training, and facilities. It's unacceptable that 89% of schools lack adequate storage spaces, leaving chemicals and equipment unsecured and increasing the risk of accidents or misuse. This issue speaks to a broader problem: the undervaluing of education and the neglect of our teachers' needs. As we strive for progress in science and technology, we must also prioritize the well-being and safety of those who inspire and educate future generations. The Association of Secondary Teachers, Ireland, has rightly called on the Minister for Education to pause the introduction of these reforms until proper facilities and training are in place. As we reflect on this story, let's remember that the pursuit of knowledge is a fundamental human endeavor, connected to our curiosity about the universe and our place within it. By advocating for better science education and supporting our teachers, we're not only ensuring the safety and success of our students, but also investing in a brighter future for all. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.